Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen? Meet the Instant Pot, a revolutionary kitchen appliance that's changing the way we cook. Customers rave about its efficiency, ease of use, and ability to produce delicious meals quickly. Imagine reducing your cooking time while saving money and effort. The Instant Pot performs multiple functions. It works like a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and even a yogurt maker. Let's break down its features. First, you'll love how well it works. Over 8,000 customers say it works well, producing outstanding results for meals like soups and stews. Forget the crock pot, the Instant Pot cooks evenly and consistently. Easy to clean too, just one pot is all you need. Second, ease of use is a key selling point. Around 7,600 customers find it easy to use. Its intuitive controls make cooking simple. Users have successfully made perfectly cooked rice and even cheesecake with minimal effort. Cooking speed is another standout feature. With the Instant Pot, meals are ready in no time. Over 6,600 customers appreciate how quickly it can cook, saving them precious time in the kitchen. Next, the appliance quality is praised by many. It's regarded as more versatile and efficient than a traditional crock pot. You can steam, sauté, and braise all in one place. Don't forget about cooking ability. Many users applaud its amazing capability to create mouth-watering soups, stews, and tender meat dishes with minimal fuss. Now, let's talk about cleaning. With 3,000+ customers raving about its ease of cleaning, you'll love the convenience. One pot means fewer dishes and hassle. Plus, the flavor of the dishes is remarkable. Customers can't get enough of the tender, juicy food cooked in the Instant Pot. It's like a meal made from scratch without all the work. While most feedback is positive, some users have mixed feelings about the build quality. Some find it reliable, while others feel it could be improved. But don't let that deter you. In summary, the Instant Pot is more than just a cooking appliance. It offers convenience, speed, and delicious results. If you want to elevate your cooking, this could be your new best friend. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Get your Instant Pot today and start making meals faster and easier than ever before.